For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a French manicure. The first thing I'm going to do is mark where I want my smile line. So I'm going to take the back of an old gift card and some polish, and with the dotting tool, just place a small dot right where I want that line to be. I'm going to be using stamping plate JR96 from ALiExpress, and my polish is Thank You Next from Fresh Paint. Since this is regular polish and not a stamping polish, I'm going to stamp that a couple of times to get full coverage. Using Thistle Do Nicely from China Glaze, I'm going to add just a little bit of color in the corner of my nail. Now I'll start stamping on some marble lines using texture plate L001 from Born Pretty. I'm going to add a few more lines, and the colors I'm using is Lavender from Mundo and Black and White from Born Pretty. Now finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.